In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tax amount on Shopify. Whether you're correcting a rate or setting up a special region, I'll walk you through the exact place to make the change and how to do it safely. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where all store-wide controls live, and it's where tax configuration is managed. Make sure you're logged in with a staff role that has permission to edit taxes. Inside Settings, select Taxes and Duties. This page centralizes your tax setup by country or region. You'll see the locations where you're collecting taxes along with any existing rates. If you're using an automated tax service, some fields might be locked, that's normal, and you may need to adjust settings within that service instead. If everything is editable, continue, find and click the country or region you want to change. In some places like the United States or Canada, opening a country may reveal states or provinces beneath it because taxes can vary at the sub-region level. Choose the exact location where the rate needs to be updated so your change applies in the right place. Enter the new tax percentage. Use a number format like 7, 7.5 or 20 depending on your local rules. This number represents the rate Shopify will apply to taxable products at checkout. Take a moment to verify whether your store's prices are set to include tax or exclude tax in general. The rate you enter will be applied according to that broader setting. If you're unsure about the correct rate, refer to your local tax authority or your accountant to stay compliant. When you're done, save your changes. Saving publishes the updated rate to your storefront. It may take a short moment to propagate, and it will affect new orders going forward. It does not retroactively change past orders. If you use draft orders or manual invoices, the new rate will be used the next time those are created after saving. That's the full process. Open Settings, go to Taxes and Duties, pick the country or region, enter the percentage and save. As a quick tip, keep a record of what you changed and when, especially if multiple people manage your store. And remember, tax rules can change over time, so revisit this page periodically to confirm your rates are still accurate.